Unfortunately, they cannot talk about it on camera. So this is what she says. We don't have authority, we don't have power. You really have to be careful about this.
This morning, more Hollywood heavyweights are being accused of sexual harassment.
People working in circumstances that are dangerous to their career, their mental health, or even physically dangerous.
How is this kind of abuse and assault of children allowed to continue?
Good to see you.
Hey, Trevor. Hey, Trevor.
Like the Circle's primary objective is to find local winnable issues that we can actually contribute towards. Really, Camila connected all the dots on this.
A whistleblowing app that does protect your anonymity gives you that space to report these incidents and find the community that can support you.
Welcome to a Logos Dev Club stream. We are focusing on a whistleblowing app that uses the Logos stack to serve entertainment workers in the greater Los Angeles area. Growing up here, because my brother was actively auditioning and landing like serious parts, I didn't really put it together until you get a little bit older and then look back on situations and go, oh, that's probably what was going on there.
You have employers that are quite powerful, famous names, that are taking advantage of passionate young musicians, artists, actors.
If you do dare blow the whistle or report these actions, it is a guaranteed blackball.
So it's kind of a trap.
I'd say it would be easier to model it after a social media app.
I'm not a technical person. My first connection to the Circle is Aaron, or Chair, who's my husband.
I haven't thought too deeply about that actually. Like, are we looking at a feed of people's posts and then kind of like looking for something that we're interested in specifically?
I mostly just join brainstorming, offering some insight into the industry and how Logos can help.
People really started to dive deep into what they can build on top of the Logos stack. I think we're getting to a great place right now with an amazing group of people who are interested in taking things further.
Our blocker for a few months has been that the Logos testnet blockchain was not live. Because it's not the case anymore, we can start moving very quickly, and that's exciting.
Los Angeles, it's a giant city, giant community. By being able to get in a small group of like a circle like this, bigger government, they're not on the ground floor of it all, so they don't understand the problems as uniquely as we do.
A lot of close friends of mine work in the entertainment industry. Building an app like this will really help give people the motivation to speak out against what's happening to them.
The important step right now is to find people who are willing to talk about this and really work with them, really talk to them in terms of what they need, and potentially, spreading out to other industries where this type of app can really help people.
The Circles will be the first ones to use the tech in a meaningful way to solve actual problems. If one can do it, that's a success for all of the Circles. It will be proof that it can work in some capacity. And that's going to be that first wave of user adoption for the wider Logos tech stack.